Next up, we are talking about what stance detection is. We'll start with sentiment analysis and aspect-based sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a common way to look at public opinion, usually calling opinion positive, negative, or neutral. For example, the sentence "Today's speech was amazing, political reform" is very positive. For more detail, we use emotion analysis, which dig into specific feelings like happiness and sadness. Psychology typically breaks down emotion into 6 to 8 categories. In this slide, I tried asking ChatGPT to do opinion analysis on this social opinion. It seems to be effective, doesn't it? It can actually distinguish if the opinions are negative, positive, or even somewhere in the middle. But opinion often targets specific things. Take hotel review, for example. People might talk about the transportation, the food, or how comfortable the rooms are. Just saying if the feedback is good or bad is not enough. That's why we need aspect-based sentiment analysis. It looks closer at the exact aspect people are talking about. In aspect-based sentiment analysis, emotion has clear targets. They correspond to a specific aspect of the subject in question. Here, I asked ChatGPT again to conduct aspect-based sentiment analysis on this opinion. It's clear that ChatGPT can identify the specific aspect targeted by this opinion, such as the food being bad but ambient being good. Similar to aspect-based sentiment analysis, stance analysis isn't just about seeing if opinions are positive or negative. It is more about understanding someone's position on a topic, like if they are support or against solar power plants. It is not only about how strong their opinion is, but also what it's about. However, stance detection is not an easy task, but to really get why people respond to political messages some way, we need to look at more detail. This is the challenge we must face. In the next part, we'll discuss the challenges involved in stance detection, as well as sentiment analysis. Past studies often run into several challenges in sentiment analysis. These include dealing with negative words, figuring out sarcasm, or handling the structure of opinion or writing, which can be very freeform. The first challenge is about the freeform of social opinions. In opinions, the subject or the intensity can be implied. To take the bottom example as a case, saying just 2 minutes to the MRT station suggests the hotel's location is convenient, but it doesn't clearly mention that it is about the hotel's location, nor does it clearly say that being 2 minutes from the MRT station is convenient. Let's take a look at the second example, very cheap. The example has a clear opinion word cheap, but no clear aspect term. This is because it is a comment on a hotel, and the commenters assume that others know the subject of their review is the hotel. Another structural consideration is that opinions often appear in conversation. They might require context from the conversation before or after, or between different speakers. Another issue is negation. When sentence contains negative words, the whole direction of the opinion can flip. And sometimes, these negative words are not clearly shown with not. Here is an example. Lack the delicious flavor it claims to have. Lack in the sentence can change the direction of the sentence. Besides, on social media like Twitter or Facebook, hashtags like ironic or sarcasm can also totally change the direction of the opinion. This challenge above can affect whether a program can detect sentiment or stance well.